Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum CSPro users. Welcome in this tutorial. We are going to learn about help text, one of the helpful features built into CAPI. To view customized help information on a desktop or laptop, press the F2 key. On a mobile or tablet, simply tap the question mark icon to access the same helpful guidance. Here I am showing two different CAPI screens, one without customized help information and the other with it. If customized help has been set for a field, a question mark icon will appear next to the question. If not, the icon will not be shown. We can also provide the help text in various languages to assist users in their preferred language. Now let's go through the steps to apply help text in multiple languages. To save time, I have already completed the process, so we will just review the key steps together. To set the help text, the CAPI questions icon must be enabled. To do this, click on Options, then select Data Entry. Make sure the checkbox for Use Question Text is checked, and then click OK. Now you will see that the CAPI questions icon is active, along with the CAPI text window. If you want to add a language other than the default, go to the question text menu and select Languages. Click the Add button to add a new language. In the name cell, enter the language code, for example, FR for French, and in the label field, type the full language name like French. Then click OK to continue. In this tutorial, I am not going to add any language other than English and Urdu. So I will press Cancel to move on. The next step is to select the item name and then click on the CAPI icon. This will open the question text window. If any text has already been defined for this item, it will appear in the editing area on the right. To add help text for the selected item in English, click the question mark icon from the formatting toolbar within the English language text window. A blank area will appear where you can enter the help text. Now type the help text as needed, for example, for the login ID item. To add the same help text in Urdu, go to the Urdu language text window and again click the question mark icon from the formatting toolbar. A similar blank space will appear. Type the help text as required. If you click the highlighted question mark icon again, the help text will disappear and only the question will be displayed. Click the icon once more, will show the help text again. If you want to add help text for the second item as well, follow the same procedure to enter the help text in both English and Urdu. Now deploy your application on the tablet or use it on the desktop. The help text will be available during the interview process. I hope this tutorial helped you understand how to use help text, which is one of the useful features of CAPI. Keep learning and goodbye.